We're staying at the YotelAir tonight. This is crazy. So these are the cabins, as they call them.
What?
It's not too bad actually.
It's not actually bad.
It's bigger than I thought it was going to be.
There's a bunk bed. There's a little bunk bed. It's great.
Oh, cool. Oh, this is cool.
What?
I like
There's
it.
a bunk bed.
This room sounds like the same long.
It's not, is it?
I like it, love. Welcome to the YotelAir at Changi Airport. This is our room tour. So you come in the room, you've got a television and some complimentary drinks, tissues, and a telly to the side of you.
So they've got UK style plugs and USB adapters.
And you have one double bed, which actually turns into a sofa by the looks of it.
Yep, it
And
does.
then the bunk bed.
And a bunk bed.
Plug socket either side of the bed and a little
Try.
just a little side tray on the bed as well. Yeah, so we've gone for the family room. So not all rooms have this, but if you do have the family option, like we do have, it comes with this.
And then we've got the bathroom and shower over this way.
Please don't walk into the. Yep, just making sure the glass. Okay, cool.
So you've got an air bag, hairdryer. You got a hairdryer. Some amenities, sink, toilet, and a shower. This is more than what we need for the night. There's plenty of space for us. We thought it was going to be like teeny tiny, and it's not that bad. I figured out how you get privacy when you're in the toilet.
That's a good point. So, to try and maximise the amount of space in this room, they have a sofa bed. So, it's currently in sofa mode. Ollie, you ready? I actually don't think it gives you that much more room, if I'm honest with you. Right, balance check, go.
What? What?
Is it comfy after spending so long in Japanese beds? Is it really comfy?
Oh my god, it's like memory foam melting into the bed.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, our first impressions of the room weren't exactly correct. It wasn't as good as we thought. There was mould absolutely everywhere in the room.
So, just above the bunk beds, you have this patch up here, which is mould, all underneath the air conditioning unit. That's just thick, like all under, all under here.
Mould all As soon as we realised exactly how much mould was in the room, we went to speak to the receptionist to see if we could move rooms. She casually informed us that all rooms are like that due to not having any windows or ventilation. But she did offer a partial refund, which worked out at around 30% of the booking.
I don't think we'll be recommending this place.
It was cheap, but not cheerful.